has always been a need for reliable transportation that is both cheap and effective. The bicycle has been around since the beginning of the industrial age, and the invention of the electric motor brought the promise of a motorized bicycle that took 100 years to come to fruition. Battery power packs for all makes of bikes are now made to be easily removed while being protected with a key lock and a single button release. You can see here the Bosch model. And there's another view. Some models have the battery actually inside the frame of the bike, and you open the bike up and remove it from a drawer, and the battery can be charged either on the bike or you can take it out and charge it up in your house or apartment. You will also be glad that e-bikes come with all the modern bicycle features, such as disc hydraulic brakes and Shimano shifting, and other features that you would expect on modern bikes that make the ride more comfortable and enjoyable. Bikes are being made for a simple college commuter or the action seeker out on the open trails. So let's take a walk back in time and look at the history of the electric bike. See, in the old days, horsepower was literally horsepower. And of course, a horse can be an ornery beast and somewhat dangerous to manipulate and control. There were wheels and there were hoops, but it took a while before someone figured out that you could attach two hoops together with a frame and make an early riding bicycle more like a walking bicycle, where your feet propelled it and it was just an extra bit of support for your own body or to help you carry cargo. And that's as far as that design went until they figured out how to put pedals on it and rely on human power instead of horsepower to make the bicycle go. Now, animal-based technology before the turn of the last century had a lot of bad pollution associated with it, as well as the problem of feeding the animals and watering the animals and the space that those supplies would take up. So the industrial age bent its ingenuity towards creating a bicycle with a motor on it. And they planned and plotted and tried and experimented for decades and decades, trying many different designs. And at the same time, bicycles evolved as well. Maybe you remember growing up with the old banana seat bike. Today, because of the advancement, you can almost not recognize it as a bicycle anymore, because it looks like something so much more powerful and complex. But these vehicles have been made available in stores and they're ready for you right now at prices that aren't much higher than regular bicycles. They're powered by motors that can either be a rim drive motor, which is on the wheel itself. You can find rim drive motors on the front or the back wheel of a bike. The other option is the mid-drive motor, which applies power to the chain at the pedal sprocket. So that concludes our walk through the history of electric bikes for now. It's all about the future from here on out, and hopefully that future includes you as well, riding an electric bike and being part of the new green technology revolution. So if you like this video and want me to make more, or you want me to cover other electric vehicles or other aspects of green technology, let me know in the comments below. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell. Thanks for watching this video. You'll see me in the next one.